What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Alpinestars Faster Rideknit 3 shoes. I got these ones in black, so I'm just going to be showing you what to expect if you order them and kind of what all comes in the box and what they look like and things like that. And then just some first impressions on it as well. I will be doing a full review video down the road, so if you want to see more my thoughts on that after I put some time into it, just go ahead and hit subscribe or just keep an eye out for some new videos that I have coming out for it. But I do want to get some time under them before I give a full review, because I'm sure I'll find stuff that I don't like or do like more than I expected. So if you guys are interested in seeing what to expect with these, just keep watching the video and I'll show you what I found out. All right, let's get these open. Pretty basic shoebox, nothing fancy there. And I just got the black ones. Here they are. And I got these in a size 12. But yeah, these remind me a lot of the, I use the Adidas Ultra Boost shoes most of the time around the house and stuff like that. And it seems like that same type of fabric. So I'm hoping that'll help out quite a bit with airflow. Yeah, these do look awesome though. So you probably already know, CE rated. Comes with the little stickers. Some cool stickers to throw on something. And that's pretty much it. They had some pretty cool colors too that I thought about trying, but I'm not so sure about some stuff matching with motorcycles and things like that, because I have a feeling I'll probably change my motorcycle at some point anyway. So I figure just keeping black and white will keep it simple and look best with most stuff. So I'm gonna go try these on, see how they fit. I ordered these in a size 12, and that's usually what I wear with like most tennis shoes, with my Adidas, Nike, stuff like that. Generally I'm in 12s, if not 12.5s, and some boots and stuff like that, but for the most part I'm a size 12. So I'm curious to see if these will fit okay, or if I have to swap them out for some different sizes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these on here. Strapping them in and lacing them up is a little different than just what I'm used to, but it's got plenty of area for you to strap in the extra laces and things like that. Just something different and a little cumbersome, but it's really pretty easy to get on. It's no different than tennis shoes. And they fit pretty slim, so I'm wearing just regular slim jeans here, and they fit just fine over it. And once you get both of them strapped down, the fit overall is pretty good. I would say very true to size. These are 12s and they fit just fine. And of course, they're not even broken in or anything like that. So you have protection on both sides there. And then of course, there's the heel protection. I'm sure you already wear that part. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's true to size and everything fits pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing and first impressions of the Alpinestars Faster Rideknit 3 shoes. Overall, they look pretty good. I'm really excited to try them out. I've just been using leather boots before this, so these already feel a whole lot lighter. They almost feel like tennis shoes, just a little bit heavier. But of course, they have the protection and things like that in case you scrape them or hit your heels or things like that. So that's the best part about it. But yeah, either way, I will be posting a full review video later on down the road, so keep an eye out for that. Stay tuned for the next one. I appreciate you watching. Catch you later.